Trang, Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, so I'm going to start here just as a reference point. Let me kind of give you an idea where we are a little bit, but I'm about 3 blocks away from the beach. This is a parallel street, and it's quite interesting. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to this alley, and the alley is right over there. I'll show you. So we're going to go down this one, go to that alley, about a half a block away, and then we're going to go down it and show you what it looks like. Nha Trang in July. Nha Trang alleys at night. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And yeah, there's a little bit of like nightlife, some really cool little bars, some nice little restaurants, all kinds of cool stuff. So I'm going to be showing you through this, so you can see it on the map already. The song is made by AI, so we're going to put the lyrics up next so you can see that. And just so you know, I filmed in 2024 this part of Vietnam, Nha Trang, and so I have some videos that I have another 7 or 8 that I'm going to upload of Nha Trang. So if you're interested in Nha Trang, like and subscribe. And if you're interested in Saigon, I have those videos. I'm going to upload those as well. So I have at least another 15 of those too. So anyways, if you have interest in Vietnam, like, subscribe, make some comments below, let me know. And let's go do the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk through these alleys at night and show you some of this nightlife in the alleys. Pretty cool. Nha Trang, Vietnam. Okay. So let's go down to the alley. That will be a reference point. I'll also have that on a Google map so you can see it. And if you go directly down here, it's to the beach. So we're 3 streets, 3 blocks away, parallel. But we're gonna go down to this alley. Check out this spot. There's even rooftop stuff. Okay. I should have kept the camera on, but I'm gonna go down the alley right now. And just give you a little bit of reference. Virgo Hotel is right there. Regalia Gold Hotel. I was right down on that corner right there, getting a lot of honks. And now we're gonna go down this alley and kind of show you what an alley looks like. Fruit. Yeah, the alleys are nice and quiet. You know what? I think I might have went down this alley already. I don't know if I had the camera or not though. I feel like I might have. Barbershop. The kitchen. Oh, here's a yoga studio. It's a yoga. This is yoga. Oh, the yoga's next door, right here. Closed right now. Okay, so we're gonna get into this little cool stuff over here. Yeah, I feel like I filmed this already. Coffee pub. Hello. That goes down to the main street. So you do have, on these corners, you do have these nice little, there's the hotels up there, up above. A live coffee pub. Okay, so we're gonna just meander a little bit more. Yeah, it's a whole other little world. I definitely walked down this before, and I don't know if I had the camera with me, but each time you film it, it's a little bit different anyways. There's a spa and a chicken place. Chicken 88. 88 is a lucky number in China. Okay. Then we got Saivon Chill restaurant as well. Right there, Saivon Chill. When I see Saivon Chill, I know it's kind of a place, good place just to chill out. Huh. Okay. Let me just kind of see what this is all about. Oh, it's a banh mi. Okay. So this must be well known as a good banh mi place. Banh mi fan. Okay, so we're gonna go down further and we're gonna find another alley. Okay, so we were just down on that street right there, and now we're gonna try to do it's kind of colorful right there. We got some tourists in there as well. One's doing a selfie even. Okay. So now we're like two streets parallel to the beach. And next we're gonna go into this little alley. So we got another alley here. We got a Greek restaurant as well. Pretty cool. The lighting is just about right as well. Here's a Mr. Mac. So we got macaroni and cheese. Huh. Pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's a Korean. I saw some kimchi as well, and so it's a nice, interesting fusion. Okay, down the alleys of Nha Trang. Got a pizza place here. Pizza and burger and spaghetti. So these alleys are kind of cool. Korean street food. And we're gonna keep on going up into this spot because I saw this the other day too. Jelly Divers barbershop. So Jelly Divers, I've been seeing people getting beer right up at the base there. Oh. That place looks pretty cool too. So it's called Jelly Divers, Jelly Brew Pub. That's super cool. They got good music too. Craft beer. Looks great. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Let's kind of capture that again. This is a nice little alley. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Another restaurant right there. Hello. Those are really good. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down our alley. The lighting is just about right. And we're gonna be going, oops. We are gonna be, there's another alley over there too. So we're gonna be about 1 block from the beach. Okay. So we're about 1 block from the beach now. And if we wanted to, we could go directly down there. Probably should. And then when we came into that one alley, there's like, some of these alleys will have this sign over it. And this one does too. Okay, so now we're gonna go through a market. That market's gonna go directly to the beach. More cool stuff. Hello. He's gonna follow me, I guess. So right down here is a market. And I'm just gonna go all the way down because I want to just get to the beach and just show you that there's the alleys. And I don't know, maybe this is interesting too. But you get the idea. So there's a bunch of stuff for sale in here. And I'm gonna go down to the beach. Okay, so we are, probably do this whole one later, but I just wanted to show you that those alleys are there. And then the market is here. And then across the street is going to be the beach. So let me just end it over there. Okay. So now we're coming out to this main road down here. And then you can see the main road. And then across the street is the beach. Stuff for tourists. Stuff to pick people up. And then directly over that way is the beach itself. You can see the flag. And if we ran across there, which I'm not going to do, but you can see the beach at night. Lots of people everywhere. So on that note, we are going to end the video.
Walking around and trying by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.